Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today, we will go through some important current affairs questions that are frequently asked in competitive exams. First question is, who became the Prime Minister of Canada after the 2025 general election? A. Justin Trudeau. B. Andrew Scheer. C. Mark Carney. D. Jagmeet Singh. The correct answer is C. Mark Carney. Next question is, where will the Asian Games 2026 be held? A. Beijing and Shanghai. B. Tokyo and Osaka. C. Aichi and Nagoya. D. Seoul and Busan. The correct answer is C. Aichi and Nagoya. Next question is, what is the title of the new book launched about Srinivasa Ramanujan? A. The Life of a Genius. B. Infinity and Beyond. C. Ramanujan, Journey of a Great Mathematician. D. Number Theory and Ramanujan. The correct answer is C. Ramanujan, Journey of a Great Mathematician. Next question is, where will the newly acquired 26 Rafale Marine Combat Aircraft be deployed? A. INS Vikramaditya. B. INS Vikrant. C. INS Virat. D. INS Vishal. The correct answer is B. INS Vikrant. Next question is, who became the youngest centurion in IPL history in April 2025? A. Yashasvi Jaiswal. B. Rishabh Pant. C. Vaibhav Suryavanshi. D. Devdutt Padikkal. The correct answer is C. Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Next question is, Shrijesh PR was conferred Padma Bhushan in April 2025 for his achievements in A. Literature. B. Public Affairs. C. Sports, Hockey. D. Science and Engineering. The correct answer is C. Sports, Hockey. Next question is, according to the World Bank's Spring 2025 report, how many people has India lifted out of extreme poverty in the last 10 years? A. 10 crore. B. 12.5 crore. C. 17.1 crore. D. 20 crore. The correct answer is C. 17.1 crore. Next question is, what recent achievement did DRDO accomplish in hypersonic technology in April 2025? A. Launched a new satellite. B. Tested a ballistic missile. C. Conducted ground testing of a scramjet engine for over 1000 seconds. D. Developed a stealth fighter aircraft. The correct answer is C. Conducted ground testing of a scramjet engine for over 1000 seconds. Next question is, Kailash Mansarovar Yatra to resume from 30th June 2025. Which pass will the pilgrims use to enter China? A. Nathula Pass. B. Rohtang Pass. C. Lipulekh Pass. D. Jalepla Pass. The correct answer is C. Lipulekh Pass. Next question is, who co-chaired the second India-Saudi Arabia Strategic Partnership Council (SPC) meeting in Jeddah with Prime Minister Narendra Modi? A. King Salman bin Abdulaziz. B. Prince Mohammed bin Salman. C. Prince Khalid bin Salman. D. Dr. Saud bin Abdullah. The correct answer is B. Prince Mohammed bin Salman. Next question is, which Saudi city did PM Modi visit in April 2025, marking the first visit by an Indian Prime Minister in over 4 decades? A. Riyadh. B. Mecca. C. Medina. D. Jeddah. The correct answer is D. Jeddah. Next question is, when was India's first satellite, Aryabhatta, launched? A. 26th January 1972. B. 15th August 1974. C. 19th April 1975. D. 5th November 1979. The correct answer is C. 19th April 1975. Next question is, who won the Freestyle Chess Grand Slam 2025? A. Hikaru Nakamura. B. Fabiano Caruana. C. Magnus Carlsen. D. Arjun Erigaisi. The correct answer is C. Magnus Carlsen. Last question is, how much renewable energy capacity did India add in the 2024 to 2025 financial year? A. 18.57 gigawatts. B. 21 gigawatts. C. 25 gigawatts. D. 9 gigawatts. The correct answer is C. 25 gigawatts. Thanks. Subscribe for more questions and stay ahead in GK. Thank you for joining us today.